steering. Exactly. While you are straight, you're staying straight. I want you to park to the right, huh? What do we do? Jamaica, nice name here, your name.
Thank you. Left or right?
We go left, turn to the right. Full right, huh? Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new video. Today, guys, we have new student actually, Jamaica. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Nice
How's
meeting
everything?
you.
Okay.
Good.
So Jamaica, she's a new student, and I think starting. You start before, right?
Before I start, but only 1 day to 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're still new, yeah.
Yeah, I continue. I change my coats here because I like you.
Okay, so now I wanted to explain for the people how you start going backward, what the step you use, how we are going back, what you will do first. Now we are going back, then we will turn to the left.
Oh.
I mean, we go to the left. So what you are going to turn where? To the right.
Okay.
But first things, what we do before you
Change, brake,
you will use the hazard first,
signal.
the
Yeah.
double signal. Then you press the brake and
Yeah.
change your gear
To the R.
Yes, exactly. And then hand brake.
Okay.
And then you have to look behind if there is any car or someone walking.
Nobody.
Make sure no one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you have to move. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Jamaica, nice name here, your name.
Thank you.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
go back. Yes, Jamaica.
Yeah. I
moving.
start?
Yeah. Staying straight is not straight, no? Yeah. Turn to the right. Okay, now. That's it. No, straight. Ever. Keep looking back, right? No one. Start turning now.
Left or right?
We go left, turn to the right. Full right, eh? What? No, same turning. Yeah. Hold the steering
Yeah.
and just move.
Okay.
Go back, yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, while your car straight, stop. And then fix your steering to the straight. Yeah, one. Again. That's it. Okay? And then change your gear.
You're right.
And yeah, keep going.
Okay.
It's easy, right?
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. Now we're going to turn where? To the left.
To the left.
Easy turn, okay? Like U-turn. We are doing U-turn now. Yeah, hold your steering. Exactly. While you are straight, you're staying straight. Yes. On time. Should be on time, okay? Fix staying straight.
Okay.
Now we're going to do U-turn again. Turn. Half. Yeah. And again. Continue.
We're straight.
To the left. U-turn. Right. Fix staying straight now. Now. Should be on time, huh? Jamaica?
Okay.
Yes. You have to do it like Ghazal. No? You know Ghazal?
What is Ghazal? What is Ghazal?
Okay, you turn again. Just half and hold the steering. You have to see the view. From where? From the left, okay? We cannot touch the steering. Straight. Okay? Check from right, no one. It's allowed to go right or no?
No.
Not allowed, because no alter, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. Very good. Okay, I want you to park to the right, huh? What do we do? Of the double
this
signal. Try to put signal right first. Yeah. You see the line of the marking? This is the
Yeah.
line, eh?
Yeah.
On the mirror in front of the line. Now you have to turn full right. Turn. But
Full right.
Yeah. But keep you steering on the full right.
Hey, sorry.
Release the brake. That's the cargo. Alright. When you are already inside the room,
Mm-hmm.
big steering to the straight. Now, straight to the left means. Yeah. But let the car go. It's okay.
Okay.
Let the car move
Uh-huh.
to the left. Okay. And then you stop. Okay. You're steering straight. Always your hands. You use your hand. I mean,
Two.
hold your steering with the two hands,
Two
not
hands.
only one. And next, what do we do for parking?
For parking.
Feet.
So, P.
And then
Then?
under where the car has you are parking.
Yeah.
So you can go next to, you can go KFC. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Inshallah, we'll see you again. Huh?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Good luck for you.
Thank
You're welcome.
you. Nice meeting you, sir.
Me too. Thank you so much.
Okay.
This lady always watching my channel.
Yeah.
Today we meet together. Yeah. It's something amazing, huh?
Yeah, amazing. I'm thinking before I cannot meet you in person, but now, alhamdulillah.
You won't see me too. I am at the mountain, the sea. Everywhere.
Yeah, I follow you on YouTube. You're going Matra last time. Wow, Matra.
Mm,
You're driving there.
I am going everywhere.
Yeah, that's why like maybe you can drive that area. Inshallah.
Inshallah,
You know,
inshallah.
I'm trying my best. When one time I am going my off for driving.
Yeah.
So inshallah I can learn more. If I cannot get license or anything,
You will get, inshallah. Don't say that.
inshallah. Inshallah.
You need to train, you know. I know you
Yeah.
are training maybe 1 hour, you said, no?
Yeah.
So today you take 1 hour with me. I see you okay. Not bad, you know.
We can make more 1 hour.
Now?
Yeah.
As we are hungry, I have to eat.
You're hungry? You're hungry. Are you sure? We'll
No.
No. We'll eat somewhere. This is our
No,
celebration.
actually, I want to go somewhere.
You want to go somewhere? That's why.
Maybe inshallah next time, huh?
Yeah, I'm
Inshallah,
thinking you
inshallah.
will give me 2 hours or 3 hours for driving.
Next time when we meet, 3 hours will be. What do you think?
Promise?
Promise, yes?
That's 26.
26?
Huh? Yeah, that's last Friday.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, no problem.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So today you are very busy.
I will give you more hours because you are a long time when I'm going to meet you again, no? 26. So I'll
26
give you more hours. Yeah,
I will move early from the house so we can meet the same place,
Sure.
sir.
Sorry?
Sure. We can meet here the same
Yeah,
place.
same place. Yeah, same place.
But if you want to eat, sir, we can eat together if you want.
No, thank you. Inshallah next time, huh?
Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay,
I know
thank
you
you,
have friends there waiting for you, no? So,
No, I don't have friends, sir.
how
That
come you didn't have friends?
no, I don't
Hold
have.
on.
I'm more than 1 year. I
You
don't,
like me, huh? I didn't have friends.
I don't have any friends, sir.
Yeah, inshallah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can make new friends.
You are my
Inshallah.
friend now.
Yeah, new friends, yeah.
Yeah. Because I'm always going off without anybody with you. Yeah. Because I don't want somebody disturbing me. I want to go that area, then that place. Somebody come. No,
Yes.
I want to go alone.
Sometimes it's good you to be alone, you know?
Yeah,
The one who
I can express my feelings.
yeah, of course,
I'm
yeah.
free. But I like more.
With the group headache.
Yeah.
Back to us.
Then too much. I want to go there. Then you don't want to go there. You must come with them.
Yes,
So?
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah, we'll see you again, huh?
Inshallah, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
Only 1 hour, sir. I think not enough for me. Yeah.
You are here in the evening? 4 o'clock? For
No,
tea?
from now here, I will move to city center. My sisters is waiting for me.
No problem. Don't worry. Inshallah. Next time, inshallah, we can do 3 hours.
Yeah, but if you teach me now, 3 hours, well, I will stay
Ayun
with
lang,
you.
not see your time.
But you are going.
I'm
Yeah.
going, yeah.
Maybe somebody waiting for you. So I deserve you.
Not somebody, yeah, exactly. I go for fishing.
Where?
Contact only from the contact. We go by boat with friends. You know?
Ah,
From maybe 4 o'clock or
okay.
something like that.
Okay, sir.
So inshallah, don't worry, Annie.
No problem.
I'll see you again.
Thank you so much.
Promise, yeah?
Yeah. 26, sir, huh?
Yeah,
26.
inshallah. Thank you for coming, huh?
Thank you, sir, for